I found a YouTube video that laid out 3 ways to build a channel and sort of the themes around those channels that are really working for small producers. And the first one is journey videos. The second is building in public. And then we'll build the third in QCam so you see how I put this together.
Because people want to see something real and authentic. Now, of course, in saying that, you still have to know how to do your thumbnails, how to structure your content of your videos to make it engaging. But the key here is that people want to see the mess, the real process of someone building something or learning something new. That's why these journey videos are so powerful right now, because they show everything and not just the perfect results.
And the next is building in public.
This is a format that works very well, right? You're simply documenting your journey and you're sharing that with other people. So a good example of this is Daniel Dalen, who is absolutely crushing this format right now. So he films himself building his business while traveling and he shares every single step of his journey. So there's no hiding behind fancy editing or a teleprompter. When he wins, he shows that. And when he fails at something, he shows that too, right? And what makes his content so powerful is this POV style videos, because you're literally seeing everything through his eyes, right? So when he's struggling with something, you see it. So it's like you're sitting right next to him, you're learning everything firsthand.
Okay, and that is the essence of it, the idea that you have a connection with somebody. If you're producing, even to a very small group, 12 people, but they're coming back and saying, "Thank you. I appreciate what you're doing. I'm learning from it. It's helping me in some way," then that's a green flag, go. So let me go into YouTube and find that third segment. So here's our guy. We're going to hunt down that third start of the third segment.
The moment where everything goes wrong, because that's real life, right? That's how people actually learn and grow.
It looks like it was a second before now. What I want to do is share this. And in the share buttons, there's this little area down here. Ooh, that's our little trick. When we click there, it's going to start at 6:23 in. I want to do a little bit before, let's say 6:22. And when I copy it, the offset of the video, when the video kicks in, is going to be directly there. That URL will include that offset. So now we're going to come back to QCam, and you can see we're set up with Safari because that's what we've been looking at. But now we want to add a website URL to it with that offset. So open website is the option. The default is qcampresenter.com, but I want to paste in, and it has that offset at the end, and that's where it's going to fire up. So now we can play that, just that one segment.
How people actually learn and grow. Now, the third format here is expert-based content. So this is about creating videos to solve problems with you as the expert. Now, this is my favorite type of content because it's been working very well on YouTube at the moment, and it's actually what I do. Now, I'm going to give you an example here. Look at Charlie Morgan. He's not just creating generic videos about everything, but he's teaching something specific, right? He's teaching people on how to start and grow their agency business. He's not trying to reach everybody, but he's focusing on reaching people who want to build an agency, and he's giving them exactly what they need. Now, here's what's fascinating about Charlie's videos. So his videos are as simple as it gets. There's no fancy production, as you can see here. No expensive setup. It's just him, a whiteboard, and he's just giving out solutions to real problems.
It obviously applies to teaching in classes where teachers can adopt these kind of strategies in order to produce engaging content for just the people they see, either online or in a classroom.